The machine tool industry is entering a technology renaissance. But at the same time, employers are facing a real people problem. Gone are the days of readily available G-code savvy graduates. How do you attract and retain a more capable and empowered workforce? The C-Numeric CNC platform addresses the skills gap with the industry's most intuitive HMI available. With a modern app-like interface, C-Numeric controls are easily engaged by today's digital savvy workforce. Integrated help menus minimize learning curves and related costs. Graphical interaction removes G-code constraints and production is accelerated. 3D visual verification of programming, tool and spindle setups, tool path, and part probing ensure both accuracy and manufacturing efficiency. This intuitive experience can be implemented shop-wide, from 3-axis all the way to full 5-axis machining. Speak the language of today's digital workforce. Control your future now. Realize greater returns on your machine tool investments. Insist on C-Numeric CNC.